What's going on, guys? Well, what are we doing today? Well, you've been following me for a while on YouTube. I don't think I showed it on TikTok yet. Y'all know that I raise worms. So this is something new to me, but I've been studying it quite some time, and that is making worm chow. Now, there's a lot of different recipes out there. This is just one that I'm going to use, and one ingredient is kind of special because, well, I'll get into that. And what we have here is we have cracked corn. We have egg-laying pellets. We have alfalfa pellets. This is this kind of special ingredient. This is the sheep and goat. The only reason I'm using this is because I don't want it to go to waste. And this, yes, does have some yeast in it, but it's distiller's yeast that kind of is left on the grain when they grind it up. So it's pretty much, I mean, it's dead yeast, but it'll still work good for your soil. Then we have beet pulp. Now the ingredient that I don't have, that I'm going to be adding in kind of off camera, is alfalfa meal. And that's going to add a whole bunch of minerals and nutrients and stuff in your worm beds to help kind of improve the soil. So I got a 5-gallon bucket here. I'm going to mix my scooper here, just an old seed pot. Don't need to get fancy. That much cracked corn. That much of the egg-laying pellets. That much of the alfalfa pellets. I gotta open up that bag a little bit. No. So I can get down in there. There we go. That much of the sheep and goat. Which, I mean, it got wet, but it's all right. It's fine. For the worms anyway. That much of the beet pulp pellets. Now, some people, they take these ingredients and they run them through a grinder and make it like a flour consistency. I'm not. One, I don't have the time. Two, I don't have the grinder. So, I mean, some people blend this, some people do all kinds of stuff to it, but basically just gonna mix it up. I'm gonna do that until I fill up this bucket. And then you're only gonna wanna feed about a 1/4 cup to your bins. And this is depending on your bin setup and everything else. A lot of other stuff. If you notice it getting too hot, you're going to want to change it because the grains, they do heat up when they're decomposing. And also worms can get what's called protein poisoning, which is not really poisoning, it's more of the worms. The food ferments in their gut and it causes them to explode and die. So there's that. So that's pretty much all I got for this video. See you in my next one. One thing I forgot to mention about the beet pulp is that you can't, it's from the the sugar industry. It's a waste product to them, so they either sell it to a feed making company, or they pelletize it themselves. But they can't extract all the sugars in this. What this does is it adds sugar, which boosts the microbial microbial population in your bin, and this will also cause your bin to heat up too. So yeah, but it boosts the microbial population. It breaks down rather quickly in your bin. And not only that, worms like sweet stuff, so beet pulp is a good thing.